Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to install PuTTY and X11 forwarding system on your Windows machine to get connected to some remote server, for instance, for running quantum mechanics calculations. So let's get started. First, you need to download the appropriate software. In case of the PuTTY, which gives you the access to the server, you go to the official PuTTY webpage. The address is here at the top bar. If you are unsure, you will see it at the bottom of this video, or you can check it on Wikipedia. So if you have 64-bit operation system, which is most of the cases, you download this 64-bit package, save it. It's good practice to check the signature, but it's up to you. And then you install it. Next, install. Yes. Okay, it's installed. So after installation, it's good to check if it's working as it should work. So let's start it. And let's connect to computation server. First, I have now typed the host name of the server. You can also use the IP address of the server if you know it. It's important to keep the port 22 in most of the cases and the connection type to SSH. It's crucial. Then you just hit open. It asks you for the login. So you just type the login and the appropriate password. Okay, once more. And now we are successfully connected. You can see it because it did not ask you for the password again, and what you see here is so-called prompt. You see that it's ended with a $sign at the end, and that means that you are connected to the server. So that means that our PuTTY installation was successful, and we can start run the calculations. Next, I want to show you the X11 forwarding. That one is for running graphical applications, because if you would like to run some graphical application on the server now, for instance model, we see that it just states that it can't connect to X server, which means that you don't see any window because it can't cast any window. So let's quit for now. And let's install another application which is called Xming. The best way is to download it from the SourceForge. If you want to have it free, if you want to support the authors, then you can buy the newer versions, which is paid. So I will just download the free version, which is older, and then install it. Same as in the case of PuTTY. You can check the signature or checksum, it's up to you. And then you can install it. Okay, here it's important to check that you have the normal PuTTY, not the portable PuTTY, otherwise you would need to switch for the portable PuTTY. So okay, next, install. Okay, just ignore the error. And finish by launching Xming. Here you should see the icon of the Xming server. That means that the Xming server started after the installation and it is running. If you quit the server for any reason, then you just hit start, write Xming, hit enter, and it should reappear in the right bottom corner. So now the Xming is running, so let's start PuTTY again. And let's connect to the server once more. Okay, now when we run modem, oh, it pushes an error. Yes, because I forgot one important thing. That is, when you run the PuTTY, you should go for the SSH tab, X11, and here you must check the enable X11 forwarding. Now it should work. So let's try it. And now it works. You see graphical windows appeared and everything works as it should. So now you can run a graphical application through the SSH in a secure way. So let's type exit, and I will show you one last thing how your graphical connection can fail, and that is when you don't run Xming when you are establishing the PuTTY connection. So let's show it. Now, of course, it will fail because we are not running any X server, but even when we start Xming, it's here, we want to run modem, still we can't connect to the X server because that has been started after we made the connection. We need first to start the X server and then connect to the remote server. Then it should work like a charm if you did not forget to set up the X11 forwarding. Okay, so that's it from me for today. Hopefully you will be able to connect by this tutorial, and thank you for watching.